bago tayo mag-launch, magkakaroon po muna ulit ng another discussion to be discussed by our M&E Manager, Ms. Cindy Guerbo. It is about the Integrated Human Development Plan. Practicing pala po. Sige, thank you so much.
Thank you, Arman. Excited po si Arman mag-planning. Okay, sige lang po, bibigyan po namin ng time. Ngayon po, baka nagtataka kayo, after po ng Module 1 natin, di ba, sa time frame natin, may practicum. So, give me siguro po less than 20 minutes lang, na actually less than pa dyan, to review lang kung ano po ba ang gagawin natin pagkatapos nitong week na to, pagkatapos po nito pagbalik ninyo sa inyong community. Okay? Sige. Thank you. So, okay. Yes, ma'am. Ano yung, can I hear your, there, medyo, yes po. Sige po, okay lang po. Bakit, ma'am? Another, ba? Actually po, itong Practicum 1 is actually same po sa roadmap lang po na as our guide po, di ba? Kasi nga po, di ba, ang ating outcome is we will reduce 1, maternal mortality, 2, reduce adolescent pregnancy, and also, magkaroon tayo ng strengthen natin yung ating integrated or yung ating human development programs. So, balik lang po tayo again. Balikan po natin sa dami po ng ating discussion. Balikan lang natin kung ano po yung objectives ng ating program is to learn and govern, build the system which is the integrated human development system po. And also, this system or this plan should be sustainable beyond political transition. Then again, sinabi ko kanina po, yung outcomes. So, our program po is from a premise ng ZFF Health Change Model that when we want to attain certain outcomes, better, faster, equitable, and better outcomes, kailangan po natin ma-strengthen ang ating human development system which should be adapted, integrated, resilient, and sustainable. Pero, hindi po ito magagawa kung tayo po as a leader should be capacitated, capacitated, empowered, and able to develop our leadership and governance competencies. So ito po siya ngayon ang ginagawa natin, capacity development. So, again, ibabalik ko lang po ang ating timeline or for this program, yung ating runway. So, andito po yung modules, ito po yung practicum na sinasabi ko. The practicum is where the work actually happens. And then, balikan natin ano-ano yung mga program areas. Ito po, SRH, ASRH, GBV and other gender issues, MISP for SRH, and population development. So, again, these are the roadmap po. So, kanina, as mentioned po, ito po ang ating pinaka-guide on how we can achieve our outcomes. Lahat ng po ito nasa journal, lahat po ito nasa roadmap na soft copies na pinapadala namin. And then, so provincial, municipal, barangay, and also the competencies that we want to further enhance pa or build pa. Then, kayo po as program fellows, remind lang po na lahat kayo ay may role na kailangan gampanan. So, for PCT or Provincial Core Team, the lead is our Honorable Governor, while in municipality level, si Mayor po. That's why tomorrow, andito sila for us po to present to them ang ating mga outputs for this past 3 days. And the composition and responsibilities na kayo po as fellows, so may political, executive, legislative, and technical. Saan, ang tanong dyan, saan kaya ako nag-belong? And then, the key responsibilities respectively. Okay? Tomorrow po, andito ang ating invited na CSOs. So, tomorrow we will give them, uupuan po namin for the orientation of the program at also, what are their responsibilities na matutulungan kayo in this program po. So, same as regional agencies, unfortunately, we invited all of them. Merong mga recorded video message. And also, before po pala kami nag-inception sa inyo, ang pinaka-first namin ginawa is to convene the regional line agencies. So we meet the DOH, the CPD, DSWD, the DepEd, DILG. Ano pa ba? May nakalimutan pa ako. Basta, yun po yung aming main. Because they are our source po, especially in terms of technical assistance. So, kaya po, well-informed din po sila sa program na ito. Okay, in the next slides, before po ako mag-proceed, may tanong po ba sa practicum 1? O parang nag-iisip pa kung anong gagawin? So, for us po, si Armand ang naka-assign po dito na Provincial Account Officer. So, he will be the one, as the name implies, accountable for all of you, na if ever po may tanong kayo, like, example, kahit technicalities na gusto nyong may follow-up questions or references like Doc GP, you can approach him or chat him. Nandun po din po ako kasi sa GC. And also, as much as possible, monthly, he will visit you po. And we would like to encourage po sana na kayo as the PCT and MCT will meet with him. Kakamustahin po namin kayo, check po namin kung anong mga kailangan pa ninyo in achieving our outcome. And then, magpa-plug lang po ako and mag-solicit ng date. Pero actually, meron na kaming dates na sinet and hopefully okay kayo. Di ba po, sabi kahapon, may mga technical assistance na mention kayo na parang need pa kay Doc, yung MDT Doc, right? So, this partnership between UNFPA and ZFF will be conducting multidisciplinary team training for managing rape cases. So, we will be inviting an expert to conduct the training. Then, ang target po natin na participants for this are those who deliver services. The PNP or the WCPD, the SWD, syempre po, the health worker who's also related, yun yung ginagawa, and DRRM, and also CSO. So this is a 5-day training. Tentatively po, kasi we are looking for consultants na mag-experts for this training design. And ang tentative date is around September 7 na week po. So, back-to-back po siya sa CAMSOR. Maghati po kaming team. Dito po, yung iba po nasa Naga, yung iba nasa Catanduanes. CAMSOR is okay with September 7. Pero kayo po, okay po ba? September 7 is Monday, ma'am. It's a 5-day. Pero yung week na yon secure kasi po, depende sa training design nung expert, nung consultant. So ngayon, okay lang po ba pa calendar lang? Okay lang po. Okay. Sige. 7 onwards. It's September 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Opo. Dito na po, may Catanduanes po, back to back po, tapos may CAMSOR. So hati po kami, hindi ako manananggal. Hati po kami literally, kasi 5 lang po kami sa team. So, we will be dividing ourselves, pero po, hindi po kami yung experts. We will invite experts for that po. Okay, part po siya ng partnership namin with UNFPA. Okay? So the next slides po, bago tayo kumain, are more on measuring your bridging leadership competencies. Simula nung day 1, di ba, you exercise your ownership and your co-ownership, okay? Hopefully, during your workshop, nagko-co-create na kayo. Tama ba? Di ba, Doc? So, hopefully, those three process ng bridging leadership was parang na ano nyo na po, na sink in or na internalize. And right now, syempre po, for us to measure kung saan, ano na ba kayo in terms of bridging leaders, we will give you assessment, opportunity to assess yourselves. Kami po sa ZFF, what we preach, we practice. So annually, mini-measure po ng HR ang aming BL competencies. As part of the program, as fellows under the Bridging Leaderships, we will measure your competencies baseline, pareho lang po sa roadmap, midline, and endline. Okay lang po? Parang alamanin. Actually po, ano siya, it's just a self-assessment. Kaya ko ba? Hindi ko pa kaya? It's a self-assessment po. If you want your results po for this, we will give you naman po. Pero right now, wala pa kaming analysis if you will conduct your, or you will accomplish it. Okay? Sige po. So kaya po sabi namin sa Module 1, nag-attend kayo ng Module 1, kayo din sana hanggang sa Module 2. Para po makita ninyo ang inyong progress. Okay? Sige po. So we have two sets of, saglit lang po two sets of, tawag namin is BL Competency Assessment. So BLCA siya. Right now, we have two assessment po. First is this is for public health managers. So sino ba sila? As technical heads. At knowing po, halos sa inyo ngayon are public health managers. Kasi yung second po ay public health champions. These are the elected officials. So si Gov, si Mayor. Katulad di ba po, anong first day si Mayor Mantos, kaya po may separate sila because ZFF is partnering talaga governors and mayors ever since 2008. So this one po, ngayon, sana po before tayo kumain or during kain, i-display lang po namin, you have the opportunity to assess yourself. Okay po ba? Naka-ano lang po siya, naka-paskil lang po dito. Yes po. Medyo mahaba siya. Hindi naman mahaba, mga less than 3 minutes. Kaya po, ilagay lang namin. Pero hopefully, before we go later, masagutan ninyo. Yung managers po, are kayo po, technical heads. Kasi po yung public health champions are the elected officials. Yes po, opo. Sige. Si ma'am po ay SB. Si ma'am ay elected official. Sige ma'am, mamaya, ano kita. Pwede. Sige, 5 minutes or gusto niyo na po bang kumain? 5 minutes, assess muna. Okay, sige po. So, thank you very much. After po ng ating lunch ay ating planning na. Thank you po. Arman, back to you.
Si Timmy na lang muna yan. Okay na, Tim? Opo, dalawa lang po. Sige. So ngayon, ang mangyayari, ang gagawin po natin, ang tawag po nito ay top, play, and drop. Meron po ba? Sinabing top, tapos pag play, ilutuloy natin sa partner. And then drop. Halimbawa, sige. Sige. Kung halimbawa mag-grab siya, siya po yung talo. Okay, naintindihan mo, yun po yung laro natin ngayong hapon. Okay. So, tap. Pag sinabing tap, gano'n.
Dapat circle siguro.
Oh, sige sir, kasi konti lang naman sa
Sino yung mag-grab?
talo. Tapos alis doon sa, okay. Oo, dapat mag-escape. Sige, form na lang po ang circle. Sige, sa gitna na lang po ako. Okay na? Ayan. Pag sinabing tap, gano'n. Tapos,
Sa right namin or left?
dapat, ganito. Pag sinabi ko, yun. Pag sinabi ko, tap, gano'n. Tapos, play, tilog-tilog mo yung tap. Tapos, grab. Tapos, kaya yung ayos doon sa circle, nag-grab na siya.
Kaya yan eh, protect mo, Doc, na di maano yung kabila.
Ako yung hindi ako mag-grab. Ako, hawakan ko ng grab.
1, 2, 3. Tap. Play. Grab. Ayaw talaga ito ang patalo. Sige, okay? Ulit. Tap. Play. Tap. Play. Tap. Hindi, bakit balik? Ay, laro pa yun kayo. Yung mga hawakan namin lalabas. Siya yung talo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Play. Tap. Play. Go! Sige, one more. Sige na. Tap. Play. Play. Tap. Play. Tap. Tap. Play. Tap. Thank you so much po for your participation. So at least medyo nabuhayan na po ng loob. And natin... Sige, nag-enjoy po ba? Yes. Sige. So marami pa yung darating. Sige, thank you so much po, no? So, kung pwede, pa-chat na lang po yung ibang participants. Mamaya, chat ko po rin sila para makapag-start na po sana tayo for this afternoon session. Sige. So, ibibigay ko na po ang mikropono sa ating M&E manager para sa discussion this afternoon. Thank you.
Okay. Okay pa po tayo? Gising na? Sana naman mapantayan ko yung energy na binigay niyo kay Arman sa energy ngayon. Okay? Para po fair, let's wait siguro mga ilang minutes lang sa ating mga kasama because this is a teamwork. We will co-create. Okay? Wala pong ownership. Ownership, hindi po pwedeng mag-ownership lang sa ating activity ngayon. Okay? Sige. Time check, it's 1:08 po. Bigyan natin mga at least 3 to 5 minutes po. Please prepare your laptop. Kahit one lang po per LGU. Or kung gusto nyo, You have different laptops, pwede din po kasi we will work on a Google Sheet. So, mas mabilis siya. Tama po ba? Okay naman yung internet and mas effective and time efficient po yung ating pag-planning.